Hi everyone, this is your biology class. I'm your teacher Seema Atreja. Students, in our previous video, we understand the concept of fertilization in flowering plants. The product of fertilization is zygote. Zygote is produced by fusion of male and female gamete. Now the further growth of the zygote takes place and dicot embryo is produced. How is the development of dicot embryo takes place from a single cell? This is zygote. Number of chromosomes in zygote is diploid as it is a product of fertilization. What happens in the zygote? Mitotic division takes place. And two-celled structure is produced. The cell which is present towards the chalazial end is known as the terminal cell, which give rise to embryo, and the cell which is present towards the micropillar end is known as the basal cell, which give rise to haustoria. Now basal cell divides and redivides transversely. All the divisions are transverse. Give rise to many cell suspensor. The lowermost cells of the suspensor is somewhat bigger in size. We called it as haustoria. These are the suspensor cell. What is the function of haustoria? Haustoria push the developing embryo towards the endosperm. Now the division takes place into the terminal cell. Terminal cell divides and redivides to produce four-celled structure. We called it as proembryo quadrant because of the presence of the four cell. Now the division takes place into the quadrant, proembryo quadrant, and it is converted into octant. 8 cells are produced. The arrangement of cells is not like that, but we have to write the fate of each cell. So I am going to draw like this. All the cells are visible from the front side. This is the proembryo octant. Which is produced by division into the proembryo quadrant. Divides and give rise to octant. The cell of the hypophysis, which is towards the proembryo side, differentiate from other cells, somewhat bigger in size now. It is known as the hypophysis. Below which other cells of the suspensor present. And the lowermost cell, that is haustoria. Now the division takes place into hypophysis and it forms 8-cell structure. Group of 8 cells are produced from hypophysis. These are the 8 cells which are produced from the hypophysis. Other cells of suspensor are present below it, and on the lower side, that is haustoria, is present. In pro-embryo octant, periclinal division takes place. And large number of cells are produced. This is the periclinal division takes place. The layer which is produced outside is known as the dermatogen. And later on, dermatogen give rise to epidermis. That is the outermost covering of every plant organ. The shape of the embryo, it is globular in shape. After that, there is differentiation takes place. The lower 4 cells of the hypophysis give rise to root tip with root cap. The 4 cells of the hypophysis which is present towards the pro-embryo, they give rise to root cortex. The lower 4 cells of the pro-embryo which are present towards the hypophysis, they produce hypocotyle. I am writing in short, hypocotyle. And the upper 4 cells, these are which are present towards the chalazial end, they give rise to plumule and cotyledon. When differentiation of all these takes place, the shape of the embryo changes and it becomes the heart shape. First, the globular shape of embryo is produced and now it is converted into heart-shaped embryo. How it converts? As we saw here, the lowermost 4 cells of the hypophysis which are present towards the suspensoral cell, they give rise to root tip and root cap. How the root tip and root cap produced? This is the structure I am going to draw here. That is, this is the structure which is developed from these 4 cells of the hypophysis. Root cap with root tips are with root cap. Above 4 cells of the hypophysis give rise to root cortex. This is the structure representing the root cortex. After that, the lower part of the pro-embryo which are towards the hypophysis, it gives rise to hypocotyle. This is the region which are showing by blue color, that is the hypocotyle region. Now the upper area of the proembryo which are present towards the chalazal end. They give rise to plumule and cotyledon. In the center, at this point, plumule is produced, and on either side of this plumule, these cells produced cotyledons, one on each side and one on each side. The growth is like this. So this globular shape of embryo converted into heart-shaped structure like this. In the center, plumule differentiated, and on either side, growth of the cotyledon takes place. This is the cotyledon. One on this side and one on this side. So the structure like this is produced. So globular embryo shape changes into heart-shaped embryo. Below this, suspensor is present. Suspensor is very small in size. The function of suspensor we already discussed. It pushes the developing embryo towards the endosperm. When the development of dicot seed proper takes place, in some seed endosperm is not present. So the food is stored into the cotyledon. Further growth of the cotyledon takes place because the growth takes place into the limited space inside the embryo sac. All these events going on. Because of the limited space, further growth of the cotyledons takes place, and it bend on the lateral side. किस तरह से lateral side पर cotyledons की growth होती है? I am showing you little here. This cotyledon grow on the lateral side like this. The next cotyledon also bend on the lateral side. So after that, heart-shaped embryo changes into horseshoe-shaped embryo. The shape of the final embryo is somewhat like this. On the lower side, that is root tip with root cap and root cortex are present. Above of this, hypocotyle region is there. And when further growth of the cotyledon takes place, they bend on the lateral side. This is the second cotyledon. So it is horseshoe shaped like structure develops. These are the two cotyledons. This is plumule. This is root tip with root cap, a root cortex region, hypocotyle region, and the shape of the embryo is now, we called it as horse shoe shaped. Embryo is produced. Sometime the question is asked how many shape of the embryo produced during its development. So first it becomes globular in shape, and then it becomes heart shaped, and then the last stage it becomes horseshoe shaped like structure. If we saw in a seed, when germination of seed takes place, outer seed coat is removed. द स्ट्रक्चर विजिबल इनसाइड सीड कोट को उतार देने के बाद दिस इज द एम्ब्रियोनल एक्सिस. टुवर्ड्स द माइक्रोपिलर एंड radical is present. Towards the chalazial end plumule is present. And two leaves are there, that is cotyledons. Cotyledons are the food storing tissue. They supply the food to the developing embryo. This is in the center embryonal axis. Cotyledons join at one point with each other. This is known as the cotyledons node. That is cotyledonous node. This point is known as the cotyledonous node. Above the cotyledon node, towards the chalazial end, plumule is present. Towards the micropillar end, below the cotyledon end, towards the micropillar end, radicle is there. The area present between the cotyledonary node and plumule, this is the region I am talking about. This is known as the epicotyle. And the area which is present between the radicle and cotyledon node, this is the area. We called it as hypocotyle. What is hypocotyle? The region between the radicle and cotyledonary node is known as the hypocotyle. And the region between the cotyledonary node and plumule is known as the epicotyle. Both these terms we used when seed germination takes place. I think the concept is very much clear to you all. एक बार क्विक रिवीजन लेते हैं क्या हुआ है यहाँ पर. In zygote cell, mitotic division takes place. Two cells are produced. The cell present towards the micropillar end is known as the basal cell. The cell present towards the chalazial end is known as terminal cell. Basal cells transverse division takes place and many cell suspensor is produced. The lowermost cell of the suspensor which is towards the micropillar end is known as the haustoria. What is the function of haustoria? It pushes the developing embryo towards the endosperm, as the endosperm provide nourishment for the developing embryo. Division takes place into the terminal cell and four-celled quadrant proembryo is produced. Now the division takes place in the proembryo quadrant and it is converted into proembryo octant. The upper cell of the suspensor which is towards the embryo side is known as the hypophysis, differentiated from others and divides and redivides to forms the tier of 8 cells. Periclinal division takes place into the proembryo octant and outer layer is produced. Outer layer is known as the dermatogen which give rise to epidermis later on. Epidermis is the outermost covering of every plant organ. In hypophysis division takes place and it produces 8 cells. The cells which are present, the 4 cells which are present towards the other cells of the suspensor, they give rise to root tip with root cap, and the 4 cells of the hypophysis which are present towards the proembryo side, they give rise to root cortex. इसी तरह से embryonal cell में the lower half of the embryonal side which are present towards the hypophysis, they give rise to hypocotyle region, and the upper half area which is present towards the chalazial end, they give rise to plumule. In the center plumule is differentiated and on either side of the plumule they give rise to cotyledon. The shape of the embryo at this stage is globular in shape. Later on it goes into the heart shaped structure by the growth of the cotyledon. Now the growth of the cotyledon takes place from here and globular embryo changes into heart-shaped structure. Now what happens? These lower four cells give rise to root tip. The four cells of the hypophysis give rise to root tip along with root cortex. The upper four cell give rise to root cortex and lower cell give rise to root tip with root cap. The lower half portion of the embryo give rise to hypocotyle region. This is the hypocotyle region. And the upper portion of the proembryo give rise to plumule in the center, and growth of the cotyledon takes place. And in this way, globular shaped embryo changes into heart shaped structure. Further growth of the cotyledon takes place on the lateral side because of the presence of the limited space. This heart shaped structure is converted into horseshoe shaped structure. So 3 shapes we observe during the development of embryo. First shape is globular embryo, second shape is heart shaped, and third shape is horseshoe shaped embryo is developed. If we examine the structure of internal structure of the seed, what we observe there in the center, it is known as the embryonal axis, which consists of 2 parts: radicle present towards the micropillar end, plumule present towards the chalazial end, and the 2 cotyledons joined together at one point represents the cotyledonar nodes. In the cotyledon, food is present, reserve food is there, which supply nourishment to the developing embryo. The region between the cotyledonary node and plumule is known as the epicotyle, and the region present between the radicle and cotyledonary node is known as the hypocotyle. This is all about in this video. I think the concept is very much clear to you all. Thank you so much.